In this video, I'll show you how to change your voice using ElevenLabs. First, open ElevenLabs and log in to your account. Depending on the current tools available in your account, look for a voice changer or speech-to-speech feature. The basic idea is to start with your own recorded speech and transform it into another supported voice while keeping the original delivery and content. Start by preparing a clean recording. Speak clearly and try to avoid background noise, music, or other sounds that could affect the result. Upload or provide your recording through the appropriate ElevenLabs feature. Next, select the voice you want to use for the transformation. Now process the audio and wait for ElevenLabs to generate the transformed version. Once it's ready, listen to the result. Check whether the pronunciation, pacing, and overall delivery sound natural. If necessary, try a different voice or make another recording with clearer speech. When you're satisfied with the result, export the generated audio if the available options allow it. This can be useful for creative projects, narration, character voices, and other audio workflows. And that's how you can change your voice with ElevenLabs. Always make sure you have the appropriate rights and permissions when using or transforming someone else's voice.